Hi everyone, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set up a custom character model in Unity so you can use it with Polygon. To use Polygon, make sure you have the Unity Core, Unity Polygon and SteamVR plugins imported. We will begin by adding our example character model to our scene, simply by dragging it in. The 3D model you want to use should be skinned, meaning it has bones inside of it controlling how it moves. Since we've just added a prefab to our scene, we will unpack it before we continue to edit it. Simply right-click it and then select Unpack Completely. Since the shoes of our character are going through the floor, we will adjust the root bone. Next, we will add the Manus Polygon script. Then click Populate Bones and click Setup. We will use the green cube to adjust the height of our character model. Once set up, we will set the bind pose. Uncheck Use Networking if you're not going to use Polygon with networking functionality. And finally, click Add Components. And that's it. Your character model is now ready to be used with Polygon.